I'm making giant fireworks. One of my favorite hobbies, if you can call it that, is making random oversized yard decor. I picked up a couple of concrete pillar forms and then I cut them down to staggered heights using the jigsaw. I sealed up the top hole with some duct tape and then I brought them inside to wrap them up like presents. I feel like you could go about this a million different ways. You could use paint or fabric, but I bought a couple of cheap tablecloths and it did the job, along with some good old-fashioned duct tape. Once all of the tubes were wrapped, I added little tassels, pom-poms, and stars to the top to look like a lit fuse. I used my Cricut to cut out some stars to add to the plain blue firework. That's the fun of this. You could literally just decorate these however you wanted to. Then I brought them outside to the porch, or what we have of a porch, and I really can't decide where I should put them. Making this stuff is so fun, but I literally have no front porch. We just have this tiny little tunnel and then a sidewalk, so I always struggle to know where to put them whenever I'm done. Y'all will have to give me some suggestions.